Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today one of our student has asked us this very nice left hand derivative question. Okay, so let us have a look. N belongs to natural number and fx is given to be a minimum function from 1 minus tan raised to nx, 1 minus sin raised to nx, 1 minus x raised to n. And the domain is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And we need to calculate the left hand derivative of f at x equal to pi by 4. Now it's a very simple question. You just have to look out for all the values to the left hand side of pi by 4. Now let us say x is equal to pi by 4. So what will be tan of x? It will be tending to tan of pi by 4 but from the left hand side, and it will be tending to tan of pi by 4 is tending to 1. So basically it is tending to 1. So what do we have is 1 minus a tending to 1 value raised to n. Now n is a natural number. It could be literally anything. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be literally anything. For your understanding I am taking it as 2. Okay, so everywhere we will take it 2 so that you understand the logic, because if I explain it with n it will be very difficult for some of the people. Okay, tends to 1, what value you would like to take? Let us say we take 0.9. This is also for your understanding. Okay, tends to 1 is a very close to 1 value, but I have taken 0.9 just to make you understand. Okay, it is a very vague approximation. Okay, so what will this be? It will be 1 minus, what is 0.9 square? 0.9 square is 0.81. Okay, so 1 minus 0.81 will be approximately equal to, very sorry for that sign, approximately equal to 0.19. Okay, so I can say 0.19 is 1 minus tan raised to nx. Okay, then let us say x tends to pi by 4. So what will be sin x? So sin x will be tending to sine of pi by 4, and sine of pi by 4 everyone knows is 1 by root 2, which can be simplified at 0.7071. Okay, I am taking approximate value 0.7 for your understanding. Okay, so it will be 1 minus 0.7 square, which will be tending to 1 minus 0.49, right? 0.47 square, which will be equal to 0.51. So it is 0.51. Okay, nice. So you got this one also. Okay, then the next one is 1 minus x raised to n. So 1 minus pi by 4 raised to n. So 1 minus pi by 4, let us just directly solve it, right? 3.14 divided by 4 raised to n. So this will be 0. What can we say? 0.7, and then it will be 3 remaining, right? So 0.7, so 0.77 raised to 2. Okay, now as you can see, this will be 0.77 square, so it will be greater than 0.49 for sure. So let me take it at 0.52 approximately. Okay, it won't be 0.52, but I am taking it deliberately more than 0.49 because 0.49 was taken in the 1 minus sin raised to n case. So it will be equal to 0.48. So 0.48, right? Now you can see the values. See which value is minimum? 1 minus tan raised to nx value is minimum. Okay, so that was a logical explanation for all of you people. Now let me give you a mathematical and more precise explanation for the same. Okay, so let me say tan raised to nx and sin raised to nx and x raised to n. So tan raised to nx is a value which is very close to 1. Very close to 1. Okay, and x raised to n and sin raised to n. So this value is very close to 0.7071 because it will be 1 by root 2 raised to n. Okay, I'm just moving out the n's. Very sorry for that. Tan x, tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1, so it will be very close to 1. Sin x, sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2, which is 0.7071. Sin x will be very close to 0.7071. And pi by 4, it will be very close to 0.77 and so on. Okay, now numbers which are smaller than 1, when they are given the power n, okay, when they are given the power n, what happens? the more the smaller is the number, the lesser its power become. The more the smaller is the number, the lesser its power become. So the lesser will be whom? Lesser will be this at number 1. Okay, because it is the smallest of the number, and number 2 will be this, and number 3 will be this. So basically tan raised to nx is the greatest of the number. Okay, and everywhere the numbers are subtracted from 1. So over here from 1 greatest number is subtracted, over here from 1 smallest number is subtracted, and over here from 1 intermediate number is subtracted. So you can only guess yourself that which one will be the least value from 1 whenever we subtract the highest value. Okay, so what is that? 1 minus tan raised to nx. Okay, so in short, mathematically speaking, you can also say that tan raised to nx is the maximum value out of all these three, hence 1 minus tan raised to nx will be minimum. That's it. So your fx comes out to be 1 minus tan raised to nx, and then taking out the derivative is child's play. It will be minus n tan raised to n minus 1 x, x raised to n derivative, right? And then the derivative of tan x is sec square x, and the left hand derivative we need to calculate. So put x as pi by 4, you will simply get minus n tan raised to n minus 1 pi by 4 and sec square pi by 4, right? So this will be minus n, and this will be 1 raised to n minus 1, and this will be root 2 the whole square, and very simply you are getting minus 2n as the answer, because root 2 square is 2. So that is the answer. The answer is minus 2n. I typically like this question very much, because it includes the concept of actual calculus, in which you have to check out the minimum value of the function. For that we found out which one is maximum. Tan raised to nx was maximum and sin raised to nx was minimum, but that was subtracted from 1, hence 1 minus tan raised to nx was minimum. So that was selected as the function near pi by 4. Okay, that is also important. It is near pi by 4 to the left hand side, right? We are talking about the left hand side who is minimum. So we got it, and then we took out the derivative, and then the rest task was easy, hence the correct option was option A. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do spread the knowledge, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Amol More saying bye bye to you.